Allahumma labbaik. In the shade of the Kaaba, we all come together from a corners of the earth. We all want to prosper. What a mercy, Allah, you have bestowed on your creation. Labbaik Allah, we are present Allah. Labbaik Allah, we are present Allah. We've been rude to our mothers, a problem to fathers, ignorant to brothers, and unjust to our sisters. Allah, please forgive us and lighten our heart. Allah, please forgive us and show us the straight path. Oh merciful Creator, you are our Rahman. Labbaik, labbaik, labbaik Allah. Labbaik, labbaik, labbaik Allah. Labbaik, labbaik, labbaik Allah. Labbaik, labbaik, labbaik Allah.